The passing of Claudette Colvin at the age of 86 marks the loss of a foundational pillar of the American civil rights movement, whose courage predated the fame of Rosa Parks. 9 months before the historic Montgomery bus boycott began, Colvin was a 15-year-old high school student who refused to give up her seat to a white passenger on a segregated bus. While her act of defiance occurred on March 2, 1955, long before the world knew Parks' name, Colvin was often sidelined by movement leaders who felt a pregnant teenager was not the ideal face for a national campaign. Despite being overlooked by history books for decades, she famously noted that she didn't move because history had me glued to the seat, feeling the hands of Harriet Tubman and Sojourner Truth on her shoulders. Beyond that initial act of bravery, Colvin's impact was cemented in the courtroom rather than just on the pavement. She was one of the 4 original plaintiffs in the landmark legal case Browder v. Gale, the 1956 Supreme Court ruling that ultimately declared bus segregation unconstitutional in Alabama. While she spent much of her later life working as a nurse's aide in New York City in relative anonymity, her legacy saw a resurgence in her final years. In 2021, at the age of 82, she finally saw her juvenile record expunged, legally clearing the name of the girl who sparked a revolution. Her death is a solemn reminder of the moral courage of youth and the countless unsung heroes who risked everything to dismantle Jim Crow.